Ginger egg, first add little oil to the pan. Slit boiled egg. Slit the boiled eggs and fry them. So these are fried little, and now we shall remove this and keep this aside. Add little more oil, ginger and green chilies. Add onions. Add little turmeric, red chili powder, add tomato puree. We need to cook the tomatoes until the oil surface. Add salt. Oil starts to surface, add coriander powder, little garam masala. Give this a mix. Cashew paste, add little water, add some ginger, add some coriander stem, give this a mix. Now these boiled eggs, I'm going to add little turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder. Give this a mix. Now add this to the curry. Add little water. Keep lid and let this cook for another 10 minutes until the oil surface. Add a little bit of ginger powder. Give this a mix. So this is done, and now we can serve this. So here the ginger egg is ready, and in case if you have liked this video, do subscribe to Anagha recipes. Thank you.